dead.
Yeah.
Who?
My slug's dead.
Where is it?
I don't know. Somebody killed him. A lady bring my slug, and the lady went to her house, walked to her house.
So you think somebody come here and stole a slug off of our porch?
Yes. And somebody cut the slug off, and somebody killed the slug.
Well, who said it was your slug?
Nobody. No, it's me and BB's slug.
So there's a slug out here that's your slug.
Yeah.
And what's its name?
Sluggy.
Sluggy?
Wait, no, its name is Slimey.
Slimy.
Yeah.
Well, maybe you should call for him.
I tried too many, and I tried, and he wouldn't come to me. But I saw his slime on the rocks.
You did?
Yeah, and now I can't find them. I tried to look for him. I looked for him in Spanky's cage, Snitch's cage, and Brooke's cage, and Cootie's cage, in the room. And I can't even find him. And I looked under Miss K's room. See? He's not there. And I checked right here, and 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 here. I saw a slime track. Look, I made a bath for him.
A bath?
Yeah, this is his bath.
So he's not in the bathtub?
No. I take him in
You
the
know what I
bath.
think happened?
What?
I think Miss K ate him.
You come here.
Hey!
She ate her.
You don't, I was just playing.
No,